Well, if you bought a used Delta 10 inches Milter compound Milter saw and you need to replace the blade and you don't know how, stay tuned. So we have a 5 millimeter Allen key. I have a 13 millimeter wrench and a socket just in case, and a Phillips screwdriver. Now, the Allen key is, I don't know, you can see it's a hole right here in the middle of your model there for the Milter. So that is gonna be right there. You see the blade moving? So that's actually is gonna lock the motor and help you out to change the blade. So let's start. We have a Phillips screwdriver right under here. Just a turn. It's not that. This one wasn't too tight for some reason. So you remove the cover, and right here is the 13 millimeter board. Now I'm gonna choose to use this because I don't want my hand near the blade, even though it's disconnected. Yes, make sure there is no power and it's disconnected because you're breaking with the blade. Now, using the 5 millimeter right here, you see. This way. Okay. And then, nope, wrong way. There you go. Just like that. And your screw is loosened right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna erase this that way I can put the blade back. This is kind of like, there you go. Remove the blade. Out with the old, in with the new. Then again, this is not a video of which blade you use or you're supposed to be using. That is your choice of blade, or it happens that I bought this obviously used, and I didn't have no manual or nothing how to change this blade, so brainstorming here. So now put it this way. Okay. All right. So same thing. Put it back. Notice they have a way to put it here. So there's two grooves here. It goes right here, and then the screw, you start screwing that way, away from you. Put this back. That's it. Make sure it's all, put it back down, lock it up, Put the screw back here. Tight the screw really good. There you go. And that's it. That's how you change the blade.